Hello, my name is Lupe Escobar. I live in La Habra, and I read about Dr. Yoo in the paper, in the register. And I was having sciatic back pain that I was taking Tylenol for. And I was taking that maybe six times a day. And it was, I'm afraid of those. I'm afraid of those, the Tylenol and the ibuprofen. And anyway, I talked to my husband about it after reading it. I said, please read this and see if we can afford it, and if we can do it, that'd be great. Anyway, it's a little bit expensive, but it's worth it to me because I was almost crippled. Almost I couldn't get out of bed without help. And anyway, it was just, and I have restless legs pills. Restless leg syndrome that I take ropinirole for, and I can't sleep without it. Anyway, I take one or two before I go to bed at night, and sometimes in the middle of the night around 3, I have to take another. Anyway, since I started this laser treatment, I've cut down. In fact, the first time I came, I was right in the middle of a restless leg thing, and he was massaging my leg and doing the laser treatment on my leg, and it stopped. And when I got up from the table there, it was gone. It came back later on that day, though, and I'm a diabetic too, so it's one of the curses, I guess. But people that don't have diabetes have it too, so I don't know where it comes from. But anyway, now I've had my sixth treatment, and I still am. I've cut down on my Tylenol, and I just had one last night before I went to bed about 9:30, and one ropinirole for my restless legs. Anyway, I didn't have to have another one until 5 o'clock this morning. That's a big cut down. So I'm just so happy about that because I feel like I'm crippled. But, I don't have any pain. And when I do, I take one Tylenol. So, but it's not anything like it was, and I'm just really happy about that.
And you're sleeping a lot better now? The restless leg is decreased? Okay.
Yes. But I still don't sleep that well because I have other problems, female problems, bladder problems.
Well, we'll get that better too, okay? All right. Better things to come.